Know what the candidate will actually do before you hire them. Good interviews don't prevent bad hires because they usually don't show you how the person actually thinks and acts. When you interview someone, you hear what they say they can do, but how do you know what they'll actually do on the job? What if you could know this before you make the hiring decision? The lab profile reveals each person's unique at-task capabilities across 17 categories of thinking and behavior, which determines what they can and cannot do on the job, as well as how they are motivated. Here are 5 of those 17 categories. Motivation direction. Toward goals or away from problems? Will this person naturally focus on achieving results or on preventing or solving problems? The underlying reasons for what they do, options or procedures. Will they create new ways to do the job or follow proven systems? Their need for change. How long before they need something new and become restless and disengaged? Do they have a 1 to 2 year clock or a 5 to 7 year clock or a 15 or more year clock? Their basic motivation, power or affiliation or achievement. What actually drives this person to perform? Authority, relationships, or results? Their conceptual scope, general or specific. Do they naturally focus on the big picture, or is their focus on the details? The lab profile is a structured interview which reveals how a person will actually function on the job. What if you could identify if people have the needed patterns in your interviews before you make the hiring decision? I'm Roger Bailey, the developer of the Language and Behavior Lab profile. I can show you how it works with your current situation or apply it to a position you're hiring for. If you're interested or have questions, just ask. Here's my email address.